Hey everyone, I am Stephanie with the Cole team at Compass. I wanted to share with you today a really special story. It's of some of our clients in South Forsyth. They are making a huge move to New York City. Their home is very cool. They lived in it for 15 years, and 15 years before that, their family owned it. So it's been in their family for quite some time, and to be honest, they just hadn't done any renovations, and it was time to do that. They knew when the home was going to be put on the market. So when we met with them several months ago, we quickly knew that there were some great things that could be done to this home so they could get top dollar. They enlisted Compass Concierge. It is a 0% loan that is paid back at closing. It allowed them to do some fantastic updates. So I'm going to point out some of those to you right now. To start, the kitchen. Now when you look at the before pictures of this kitchen, what you'll find is there was definitely some things that could be easily updated to just make sure it showed wonderful. For instance, you'll see we did the white cabinetry. Those were all painted. There was some trim work that was taken down because it gave kind of a dated look, so we wanted to make sure to freshen it that way. You'll see all new appliances, granite countertops. There was a very small island that was in the middle here. We removed it. It just didn't make sense for this space, especially when you had a lot of other living space that we're going to show you. This family room, oh my gosh, before and after is fantastic. As you can see in the before, it was very dark. All the trim was dark. So the first thing that we knew needed to be done was to brighten it with paint. I mean, paint can go a long way. Also the ceilings were those popcorn ceilings before, so those were all scraped and of course, painted nice and light and bright. One of my favorite things though, one of my favorite upgrades of the entire project was this floor. I love this wood floor. And they were able to bring that throughout the main level, and it just makes the whole area pop. Huge, huge update. Buyers are gonna love this, and we're so excited about it. So by far one of my favorite rooms, and probably will be yours too, is this sunroom. It's completely enclosed with windows. It's phenomenal. But again, just with some simple paint, we were able to upgrade this space and really show it off to its full potential. So if you're thinking about selling, but you are terrified with all of the updates that you need to do in your home, do not be. We have your back. Compass Concierge has your back, and we would love the opportunity to talk with you.